right? How do you know how fast the product will sell? What rank products to buy so they will sell within days? At the end of the day, like I say, Jason, go follow me on Instagram at the wise guy, WYSEGUI, because I post on there a photo of and explain rank. I explain rank. Rank is not going to be important to you right now. It is important, but rank is not the most important thing. It's like the sixth or seventh most important thing. And in the retail arbitrage world, it's the sixth or seventh. Now, in the private label world, your product is not going to be ranked at all. Other things are going to be important before rank ever becomes important. But you determine rank. You actually determine the rank of your product based on the quality of your product, the quality of your listing, the demand of the product. So how well you did in picking the product, you determine everything about your product in the very beginning, especially with private label. But in the retail arbitrage world, check out my Instagram. I'll go into that later for you.